Bitcoin continues to drift around. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This is a video that is sponsored by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Bitcoin market has bounced around in general, but at this point in time, I think we have to look at a couple of major levels. The $62,000 level is an area that previously had been resistance, and now it offers support. To the upside, we have the $65,000 level and the $66,000 level, both offering resistance. All things being equal, this is a market that has been overdone a couple of different times, and we have broken above the $62,000 level, and it looks like we are going to see a little bit of working off of the excess froth. The biggest problem with Bitcoin anymore is that nobody really knows what to do with it. It's a Wall Street ETF, and that was good for a couple of weeks, but now it needs to defend itself. And by defend itself, I mean show that it has a use. We haven't seen that yet. It's been something like 13 years, 14 years. So the question now is, will it be a speculative asset and never really used? And I suspect a lot of people think like that. Or would it actually have some type of utility and be used and become profitable and valuable in that sense? I suspect that depending on the use case scenario, the price chart could look quite different as far as the angle of ascension in price. It's an ETF now, so it's basically the S&P 500. Wall Street won't let it collapse. There's just too much money to be lost. But at this point in time, I'm hearing a lot of chatter from Bitcoin traders that want to know what happened. Well, what happened is you got what you wanted. It's a legitimate Wall Street asset, subject to all of the same manipulations and squashing of volatility that anything else is. So it is what it is. In the short term, I think we continue to work off some of the short-term froth. A move above the $66,000 level could open up a much bigger move. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.